Hello everyone, we're here for 4th Art Saturday. Yay! Happy dance! As Lisa would do, happy dance! This video hop is sponsored by the Meri Atelier. Meri set this up, and if you check in the description box below, you will make sure to tap on that first link and you will go to the next video when you're finished watching mine. And each person involved in the hop will have a link in their description box to the next video. And when you've followed all the links, and you'll come right back around here to me. And thank you very much, Meri, for setting this all up. Now, I have to tell you, Meri comes up with some very interesting themes. And this month's theme is an alphabet. We're supposed to sort of design our own alphabet in our own style. And I will tell you, it took me a little while to figure this one out. And I'm not going to do a whole alphabet. I'm just going to do a word, because that will, if I tried to do the whole alphabet, it might take 3 days. And this is not supposed to be that long of a video. I am going to use my favorite things. I love my black and white Posca pens, my white gel pens. I have a couple of them here just in case I want to do something specific. And I am going to do this on a jelly print roll-off sheet. Now, it could have been a jelly print, it could have been anything, but this was not so busy today. I think this would be a fun thing to do, to put words in on a page, that kind of thing. So I am going to get busy and do my alphabet in my style. And what is my style, guys? When it comes to these pens and jelly plates, it's a doodle dot thing, right? So it's going to be lots and lots of dots and maybe a little doodles in between. So I hope this is interesting to you, and I'll be back after I finish this, because I'm going to definitely have to speed this video up to make it fit in a reasonable time frame. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you back when we're finished up. Okay, so I didn't leave myself enough room with the size of my letters. No big deal, because I'm probably going to collage this down on something anyways. It's not going to be on this piece of paper. So I just fixed it, and I will probably be cutting it out anyways to collage it onto a page. So I'm just going to keep working. Okay, guys, I really like how it came out. Now, couple of things. I know that if I'm going to use this for something, I'm going to collage it down anyways. So having to mend the paper in the middle doesn't bother me. I the D got even more illuminated as I went. The more and more I did it, this would be the basic alphabet. This would be the illuminated letter at the beginning of your paragraph or word. I really like how it came out, and it is kind of my style. I was, like I said, this was a little bit, it took me a while to come up with a plan. You know how that goes. Meri gives us these wonderful themes, and the alphabet to do it in my style, and I was thinking about it, and all of a sudden, you know, I had an idea, and it wasn't exactly to make the letters like this. It was to make them with my dots, the way I do things, which is a lot of dots, a lot of black and white little things on my paper. But I can see doing some letters like this and words like this on my pages when I do an art journal kind of thing, or as the title on the front of a cover. I think they would shrink very nicely. I think it would not be difficult at all to make this a smaller alphabet. I just would need to do a little practice with it and make smaller words. This was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check out the description box down below. The link hop list is down there. If you click on the top link, you'll go to the next video. And please, guys, leave comments. Let people know what you think. Subscribe to the channels if you haven't. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you do. Anyways, now I'm going to tell you and thank you, Meri. Meri, thank you very much. This has been a fun hop. And now go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.